What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your host with the most, Sean Boy 7th Street. Today, I'm showing you around this Honda S2000. This Honda S2000. 3D printed, I must say. So, this is my AP1 S2000. We got it on some nice, windy mountain roads. We're gonna show you around the car, tell you all its good things, tell you all its bad things, and go from there. So, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. What do you have to say about the Honda S2000?
I think you guys should check out the BGG Crusade playlist.
Say about the Honda S2000.
S2000 plus 2.
What does that mean, bro?
Here's my key. So, once you've got your convenient Honda key, and you open your convenient Honda door, you gain entry into the interior. Up next, we've got the interior. Obviously, I have a aftermarket bumper, KBD urethane, ASM style bumper, paint chipping on my valve cover, as is the par for a 20-year-old car. That rhymed. I hope you enjoyed it. If you look closely, you'll see that the motor actually sits pretty far back, behind the front wheels. So you got a ton of space in the front, which is pretty unique for this car. Good weight distribution. What'd you say?
This is my car now. Get out of here, kid.
Yeah, this is his car. This. I gave that to him. Anyway, we're gonna take this car for a spin. A spin out.
Let's see if I can drive.
We're gonna take this car for a spin. We're gonna slap the GoPro on the windshield, on the bumper, somewhere, and you'll get some Initial D first person action. What do you have to say about Initial D first person action?
Initial D, first action person.
Dyslexic.
Dude, I can drive.